Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. Are you tired of manually copying and pasting data from websites into Excel? It's tedious, takes forever, and it's easy to make mistakes. Well, today I'm going to show you the future of web scraping. How to import data from the web to Excel. The easiest way, especially as we look towards in 2025, no complex coding, just few clicks. Think about it. Market research, competitor analysis, gathering sports stats, product listing, so much valuable data lives on the web. Getting it into a usable format like Excel used to be a major headache, but not anymore. We'll be using a smart AI powered tool today that makes this incredibly simple. For this demo, we'll be using Lido. It helps automate the entire process. Let's say we want a list of the current top 50 best performing football players in the world. We'll simply go to Football Critic. Here you can see we are having the ranking, the name of the player, the team the player belongs to, the nationality, the position, the age, the form. Let's grab this data using Lido. We'll simply log into our Lido with a work email, and once you are in, you can simply go to new file. Here you can simply go to tools, click on data extractor, and here you can see a website tab. Simply click on this and paste the URL that you want to extract data from. So we have football critics, we have pasted the URL. We'll simply click on submit. Look at that. The tool is intelligent and automatically populates which columns you would want to fill. That is, which data fields you want to extract to fill these columns. It has automatically extracted the rank, the name, the team, the nationality, the position, the age, and the form. So these are the columns. Now this automatic detection is usually spot on, but you always have full control. Of course, you can edit the columns or data that you need to be extracted. Maybe I don't need the player form. I can simply go to that and remove it. So once you are happy with the columns that you want to keep, next you can see the extra instructions field. What's great is that you usually don't need to use the extra instructions field, as the tool is intelligent enough to reliably extract the data how you want. For standard tables like this, the AI gets it right almost every time. However, you can always use the extra instructions to ensure that the data is extracted and populated correctly. Think of it like prompting or coaching the AI. If you had a really complex page, or you wanted the data formatted in a specific way, like splitting the columns into first name and last name, it's like talking to a colleague or employee. We can simply say, please only extract the plain name and rating. For our current task, it's not needed, but it's a powerful feature for more advanced scenarios. So we can simply get rid of this for now. Once you're happy with the columns that you want to keep, and if you want to apply any extra instructions, you have given your extra instructions, you can simply click on process. Okay, there you go. So we have all this data. We can simply close this, and here is the data of the top 50 football players in the world. No more manual work to copy paste this data into an Excel. Simply use Lido and it will do the job for you. Now for the final step, let's save this data into an Excel. We can simply rename it top 50 football players list. And to save it, we can simply go to File, click on Export Values to Excel. Once you click this, there you go. You have already saved this data into an Excel. Look how simple it was. So let's recap. We have identified a website with data we needed. We have used Lido to automatically detect and select the data. We have reviewed and confirmed the selection and learned how we could customize it further if needed. And with a couple of clicks, we have exported it directly into a perfectly formatted Excel. Think of the time saved. No more mind numbering, copy pasting. This is faster, far more accurate, and lets you focus on using the data, not just gathering it. This is genuinely the easiest way to import web data into Excel in 2025. So what do you think? Is this going to change how you gather data from the web? Let me know in the comments below what websites or type of data you would love to extract. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Also check out the pinned comment below. You can sign up for Lido using the special link there. Thanks for watching. I hope this makes your data gathering task a breeze. See you in the next video. By the time, happy scraping.